What's up, peeps? Tommy Garcia here, bringing you the very first tech talk at the BG Products Proving Ground. And today we're going to talk about winter car care. There it is. So one of the items that are most overlooked is that guy. It's your battery. People tend to go with oil, check your coolant, wipers. Yes, those things are important, but they will not leave you stranded. Well, unless you run into a curve or something and knock your oil pan off. But battery, that one will leave you stranded. How do you know if it's gonna, the condition of a battery, right? It tells you every morning when you crank it and you notice that it's a little bit more sluggish, it's telling you, hey, I need replaced. A more scientific way to do it is just to take it to your local mechanic and they run a diagnostic on it. Normally it's free, so it doesn't cost you anything. I'll tell you one thing, I would rather change your battery on time, which is about 3 to 4 years is the life expectancy of a battery, than have it towed to the shop, get it replaced, and all that tremendous cost. Easier just to replace it. So again, this winter, which tomorrow is going to be like 60 here in Kansas, whenever winter arrives in your area, make sure you check your battery. Be good to your car, and your car will be good to you.